Guys, it's Andy. I want to go over a couple of bugs I found. What you're looking at is the last three lines of the call to action frame. They should all be dynamic. You'll notice that only info session RSVP seem to swap out the date, hasn't changed. That's because, as you can see, the date here is not on the timeline really at the same time the Sizmek plugin is on the first line above. But moving all the dynamic elements to be introduced on the timeline in the same frame that the components introduced seems to largely set up the right environment. You'll notice the date's still messed up. Why the other two fields work and the date doesn't is a bit of a mystery to me still. One thing I did notice, Sizmek's default settings with the new Macromind plugin is to create a banner from scratch using the latest Flash Player 14. If I go into Publish Settings and backtrack to the old Flash Player 10.3 and do nothing else, then our changes populate. You'll see that second line come in with Chicago, Illinois, and a different date. Best practices would be to move all of this stuff into frame 2 as per the Sizmek documentation. Just have to make sure the dynamic elements are also that early in the timeline.